Hello everyone, Cassandra Good reporting to you live from my vehicle, just popping out of the gym. And I'm going to tell you guys, this video is all about support. It's all about support. And I know so many of you all out there are tired, are burnt out, just really don't know what to do. You've been through one business model after another business model, or one program after another, and your family has actually been through it with you all, whether or not you sacrifice paying a bill on time, or whether or not you sacrifice whatever it is that you sacrifice on a monetary level. You don't have the support that you need, and your family is not really seeing your vision, or they're not understanding that you're really trying your best to find that business model or that proven system that will help you take it to the next level. They don't understand that you're trying to, maybe you're out there trying to retire a wife from a job. You see her working 10-12 hours a day. Maybe you're trying to retire your husband from a job. You see him working 10-12 hours a day, rotation shift, maybe 48 hours on, 72 hours off, or 72 hours on and 48 hours off. Or your family members are always the ones that they call in to work because they're dependable, but you're seeing is burning them out, and they have less and less time for the family and actually for anybody that's actually out there. You don't know what to actually do because you don't have the support. They've seen you run through business after business. Well, I'm going to tell you something. If you get in contact with me at askcassandragoode@gmail.com, I can give you what I like to call affirmations. I can give you some different areas of support that will help you trigger your mindset. Because to be honest with you guys, this industry sometimes is a loner industry. And what I mean by that, you're embarking on it in hopes and your true desires to experience a breakthrough, a financial breakthrough, something that's going to change everything for your family. And sometimes, just sometimes, after the first try, the second try, in my case, many tries before I actually experienced a breakthrough, before I actually had some funds coming in where my family wasn't constantly saying scam, or there she goes again, or she got one of her businesses. And I mean, they even got to the point where soon as I would say hello, they was like, oh, what now? What are you trying to pump on me now? And it wasn't like that. It was just me genuinely thinking that I was helping my family, that I was genuinely trying to take them to the next level, trying to help them financially, because I heard their cries. I heard how their businesses, the company and businesses that they were working for, how they wasn't experiencing any kind of pay increase in years. How they were saying that they would tapped out on a budget, just be happy to have a job, just be happy that you can come here every day. And it was a genuine interest. It was a genuine interest for me to try to help my family. But at the end of the day, I wasn't helping them. And so what I did was, when I realized, when I pulled back and I stopped asking friends and family and foe, would they like to look at my business, and I started taking the reign and going out and learning how to do marketing myself, that's when the successes came. And I know a lot of your coaches and a lot of your sponsors and a lot of your leaders and those people that you sign up with are going to say, oh, make a list. Go down that list of your friends and family first. That doesn't work. We burnt them out. We tapped them out. So if you need something to help you focus, if you need something to keep that stronghold so you can be focused on your goals and the things that you want to achieve in life and take you through that financial breakthrough, I have several affirmations that I love to share, and I share them with my team on a regular basis, especially when they ask me for them. So this is something that you can listen to every single day. And I know it's nothing like having support of someone that you can reach out and touch, or someone that you can pick up the phone and call, or someone that feels your pain and understand that you're trying to make it better. Understand that you're trying to take your family to a breakthrough that they have no more worries about finances. They have no more worries about whether or not they can get a whole prescription instead of not being able to afford the whole prescription, but they can only get half of their prescription filled, or they can only pay for half of their groceries, or whatever it is, that they can understand that for once you're trying to do something that gives them a bigger picture and help them financially. And if you're in that mode and your mind is stuck and you're feeling burden and you're feeling like you're weighed down, and just sometimes people don't understand that you're trying to look at the bigger picture and you're trying to create a bigger and larger than life for you and your family, I have those affirmations for you, and I would love to share them with you. They've helped me. They help some of my family members that are willing to listen, and they help so many of my associates that I have come to know over the years, and they need that support too, even before their breakthrough. Because a lot of times this is a lonely road. It's a lonely road, and how they say it's lonely sometimes at the top. But when people don't understand your aspirations, the things that drive you and the things that have you motivated, and you see you have a vision of what is to come, and you feel within your spirit that you were destined for greater things and God wants us all to have abundance, then by all means you can email me at askcassandragoode@gmail.com and let me share a few of those affirmations for you and with you, so that you can start awakening your mindset and have those waves of positivity and those positive waves and energies that will give you the focus point that you need, just in case you don't have the support that you feel you should have on this journey. And definitely, please, if you enjoy any of my content or my videos on this YouTube channel, please by all means subscribe. I'd love to have you continue to view, and I'd love to have you to begin to view. So definitely email me at askcassandragoode@gmail.com and let me send that over to you, because I know sometimes it can be difficult, and I'm listening to what you guys are telling me. So by all means, reach out to me, askcassandragoode@gmail.com, and I look forward to speaking with you. You guys have an awesome Tuesday. I appreciate you, and welcome to October 1st, 2019, guys. We're closing out the 2019 year with a bang. Have a good one. I'll speak to you soon.